Today we're talking quick whip tip, quick whip transition tip intro. So today we're doing a quick whip transition tip. Let's quickly do it. Final cut. Here we go. Easier. So we have it, right? We have our transition right here. It's pretty easy, right? Now, this tip works on works sometimes. Sometimes it doesn't. So how it's gonna work is we're going to our transitions panel. We're going to find a cross dissolve or a fade. You can get like regular just fade transitions, but cross dissolve all never comes with it. But they're pretty much the same. What I'm gonna do is I'm actually just gonna zoom in here and find where the two meet and make this super short. You can see if it's there, so that just helps it be a little smoother. But sometimes that actually just doesn't work. Like, let's delete this. Let's see how it looks now. I just kind of feel like this one is a little smoother, but whatever you think works best, you do. You do you. This was an installment of quick whip tip. Well, actually, this is probably the only time we're going to do quick whip tip, so peace out.